So, sir, we are here to present CMTP case study on OYO. Now, started with the introduction. In August 2017, Ritesh Agarwal was founder and CEO of OYO. First started by name of Orville Estates Private Limited in 2012. Now started with one city and one hotel in Gurugram, Haryana in January 2013. Named India's largest budget hotel chain. He believes that quality customer service brought value. Background Indian hotel industry. The evolution in hotel industry, dormant and unorganized hotels got active. Disruption in the hotel industries. Hotels for all. Standardized hotels for mid-scale segment. Promotion of hotel by keeping customer service in focus. Now, now I am calling Pooja for first.
Good
Hello.
morning, sir. Good, m- good morning, sir. So next is just from Ora to Oyo.
Poonam, you're not audible.
Okay. Good morning, sir. So next journey from Oraville to Oyo. So it started with Ritesh Agrawal, an 18-year-old college dropout, took up along with his first startup Oraville, a home model inspired by Airbnb. Oraville was designed to enable instant booking of budget and premium accommodation. It was meant to be destination from for short and mid-term rental of bed and breakfast unit, private room and service. Therefore, he pivoted Oraville to rooms in 2000 May 2013 with the key proposition of offering affordable and standardized accommodation. And also, he was selected for the prestigious Hale Fellowship, which gave him funding of $1 lakh over 2 years to create a startup. The hotel chain hit the 1 million check-in mark and becoming the face of Indian startup. And then during its expansion, Oyo established operation in UK, UAE, Dubai, Chennai, Singapore, and Indonesia. Also operates more than 3 lakh 30,000 rooms and more than 500 cities globally. Thank you. And I would like to call Aman for the further presentation.
Thank you, Poonam. Good morning, sir. Let's continue to the topic. And my topic is OYO's disruption strategies. How OYO's strategies are different from others, and with the help of these strategies, how OYO how OYO achieve the desired goal. The first one is unorganized hotel. The unorganized hotel is the primary part of OYO. The unorganized hotel is the main target of OYO. Mr. Agarwal was very clear about unorganized hotel. He analyzed that the unorganized hotel are not deliver even a basic basic needs of the customer. That's why he target this hotel, and with the help of OYO, he deliver a basic needs and services to the customer for satisfy the customer. The second one is organized hotel. In the beginning, the organized hotel was not the primary target of OYO, but after seeing the competitions and standardization, OYO decided to focus on organizations. He launched out such a free schemes, which is free Wi-Fi, free breakfast, spas, saloons, uh, e- uh, bars, etc. to for making an organization effective. The third one is use of technology. Now we know all this. Technology plays an important part for every successful organization. In OYO organization, te- technology is the backbone of OYO. With the help of technology, OYO develops a many apps. The one is OYO app. Through this app, a customer The customer book a hotel or room without wasting any time or easily. Crypton app is also developed by Oyo. With the help of this Crypton app, Oyo's management find the faults and working on them for making an organization effectively. And the fourth one is recruitment of talented and committed people. As we all know, Mr. Ritesh Agarwal was a young, and he believed that young and businessman person. He believed that young employees are very promising towards their goal. That's why in January 2018, out of 3,093 members of an organization, one of third part of employees is below 25 years. He is interested. This indicate that he is interested to the young employees, so they can achieve their organization goals. And the fifth one is underutilized property. Oyo connect with those properties owners who are interested to invest, and who are interested to convert and monetize their property or assets. With the Oyo grab this opportunity very quickly, and then with the help of these underutilized opportunity, Oyo strength the brand with for make by a proper effective by giving a proper effective utilization of available resources. Thank you. Now it's end from my side. I would like to call Ms. Shivali Shukla for further explanation.
Thank you, Aman. Good morning, everyone. Now, I Shivali Shukla explaining about short analysis of OYO. For any case study, we need to understand the SWOT analysis. It is usually done to determine the strength, weakness, opportunity, and competition of any business. So, strength of OYO first is standardization. The standardization of the room under the OYO franchise is a guarantee of standard service in all the OYO rooms. Second one is ever-growing network. The huge network of around 8,500 plus properties throughout the country is a great strength for OYO rooms. Third one is spirit of innovation. The root idea or need from which OYO room were conceptualized is a highly innovative one of a one-stop shop for a budget stay in India. Fourth one is subsidizing hotel stay. OYO subsidized room for affordable stay that have successfully emerged in the line of new business chains. Last one is young and highly spirited leader. The founder of OYO, Ritesh Agrawal, is a youngster who has won a lot of awards and beside entrepreneurship catered to a wide range of interests. Now, I explain the weakness of OYO. A strategy of co-branding. The strategy of rooms without owning a property can be a problem. Poor service quality. Although their standardization has worked on the favor, at times their service quality and reliability can be questionable. Tight margin. The tight margin of providing hotel can be risky or which OYO cannot do anything which to circumvent. Opportunity of OYOs, growing demand for aggregator, growing demand in the market for hotel aggregator which were most higher budget hotels are suffering losses can increase the scope for aggregator like OYO. Second one is focus on budget accommodation. Earlier, the trend was more biased toward luxury and boutique hotel, but not anymore. People are trying to minimize spending and focus on saving, and thus budget hotels that can provide decent boarding and lodges facility are on a high demand today. Last one is assure in the number of business traveler in emerging economies. The number of people who travel on business from both gender has grown proportionally in emerging economies. This has resulted in a demand for budget stays. Last one is threat of the OYO. Competition with new entrepreneurs in the market like Gobibo, Trivago, Make My Trip, etc., which offer a varied gamut of services similar to Oyo. Second one is growing concern about safety. Today, there is a negative imaginary of unsafe, and the number of cases of harassment is on an increases. Although for Oyo rooms, they have a moral commitment to ensure that no such untoward incident happen. Thank you. Now I would like to call Ayush Mishra for further explanation.
Thank you, Shivali. Good morning, sir. Now let us continue with the topic. My topic for today is business model of OYO. Now, for explaining business model, I am having some categories which are key partner, key activities, key resources, value proposition, customer relationship, customer segment, channels, cost structure, and revenue stream. But before explaining this business model, let us know what key partner is. Key partner are the relationship that you have or business is having with other business, government, or non-consumer entities that help our business model to work. Key activities. The key activities of a business represent what the company must do to make the business model work. Key resources are the main input that your company uses to make your business model work. Value proposition. Proposition refers to the value a company promised to deliver. Customer relationship represent the relation of a business to the customer. Cost structure. A cost structure means that the type or relative proportion of basic and variable cost, which means in short word, it means expenses. Customer segment involve grouping of customer into a specific market group. Revenue stream. Revenue stream is something from where revenue of a company generates. Cost structure. A cost. Sorry, I have already explained it. I'm sorry. Now, key partners of OYO are hotel owners, government, and online grocery chains. Key activities of OYO are standardization, quality customer service, bullet chain. Key resources of OYO are technology, developers and staffs. Value proposition of OYO are ease of booking, customer experience, well-designed app, discounts, and reliability in finding hotels. Customer relationship, hotel accommodation of staff, and uh, com- uh, and communities. Customer segmentation, accommodation provider, and travelers. Channels of OYO are website and mobile apps. Revenue stream of OYO are commissions, room reservation, membership fee, advertisements. Cost structure of OYO are reinvestment, infrastructure cost, and employee salary cost. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Sanskar Tiwari for further explanation.
Thank you, Ayush. Good morning, sir. And my topic is facilities provided in OYO rooms and comparison between OYO brands. Sir, first, in facilities provided in OYO rooms are like free Wi-Fi, round-the-clock room service, trained staff, customer service team, conferencing facility, beds with component spring, clean, clean bathrooms, sir, and toiletries, complimentary breakfast, sport linen, and room AC rooms and a television. It is very important, sir. And my second topic is, sir, comparison between OYO brands. So, first OYO rooms, second OYO flagship, and third OYO townhouse. First, sir, OYO rooms affordable range infrastructure, minimal infrastructure as per requirement. The needs of traveler in budget segment are low price, affordable rooms with basic amenities such as Wi-Fi, breakfast, trained staff, customer service team, and AC rooms with television and etc. And second, OYO flagship, mid-range infrastructure. A whole building is converted into OYO, which gives a homely atmosphere and comfort of hotel at the same time. When OYO takes a hotel or building on lease, is known as flagship. And third is Oyo Townhouse. High quality interior with high trained staff. The Oyo Townhouse is built to cater to the needs of a traveler. Every single amenity offered by the hotel from the booking process to the customer, from the booking process to the customer friendly service is designed in a way to help every guest and have to most comfortable and cost efficient stay possible. And thank you, thank you, sir. And I would like to call Aman Singh Pariyar for further explanation.
Thank you, Sanskar. Good morning, sir, and my fellow friends. Why OYO through my topic is recommendation. OYO throughout its unmatched service has become a brand in the hospitality sector in India. By studying entire case study, our recommendation to OYO is tie up with more premium hotels also. In this case study, we learn that OYO is targeting the small or low budget hotels. OYO is not dealing with 4 or 5 star hotel. OYO have to deal with some premium hotels to maintain the monopoly and to enhance the customer satisfaction of premium customers. And second point is can introduce overall concept again. In this concept, Agrawal utilize the underutilized property, like private properties of owner, into a business property by investing minimal capital. And third point is must focus on offline quality control mechanism to manage the customer experience. OYO have to develop a offline mechanism to enhance the customer satisfaction and to maintain the customer relationship because online activities are not accurate sometimes. So OYO have to build a physical survey or that type of thing to enhance the customer satisfaction. Thank you, sir.